Hazrat Yala radiyallahu anhu states, we were in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam when a man came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am wearing ihram for Umrah. What can I do in it? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent and did not give any reply. And when revelation would descend on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would put a canopy of cloth on him. I said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, I wished I would get my head inside the cloth when revelation is being sent to him. When revelation was sent to him, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu shielded him with a garment, whereas I inserted my head inside that garment and looked at him. When this state terminated, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, where is the man who was asking about Umrah? He got up. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take off this robe and do in it what you do in Hajj. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2794.